on this trade, right? So say if I want to risk $3 on this trade, right? If I want to risk $3 on this trade, I divide it by how many pips I have. So I divide 3 by 10. Really, we need to plug this in to see what I did right now because I really risked 1%. So 1% is really, I want to risk $1. So that's $1. 1 divided by 10. So we could do the math right now. We clear it. Clear. 1. Hold up. Oop. 1 divided by 10 divided by 10. So that's your lot size you use, bro. It's that simple. So if say I got a $60 account, say if I want to risk, say if I want to lose like, hey, I'm trying to lose like, oh, I want to risk like $40. So $40. So say we want to risk $40 for whatever reason. We want to risk $40, which that is berserk. $40 divided by, so it'll be 40 divided by 10 divided by 10. And it'll show you your lot size, yo. So this is how you calculate your lot size, yo. So yeah. All right. Well, that's the end of the video, but peace out. Keep trying, bro. Don't give up, bro. You got this, bro.